Hello, today I'm in Ford Edge. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press on button to enable cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and press set plus button. Now we are going to drive on the firstly set speed. If you want to increase it, press set plus. To decrease it, press set minus button. If you want to reset it to firstly desired speed, press reset button. If you want to cancel it, select cancel. This will pause the cruise control. If you want to turn it off, press off button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.